Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of professional-grade kitchen appliances with the ZLINE 30-inch Autograph Edition Professional True Convection Double Wall Oven. This stunning oven is more than just a kitchen essential. It's a centerpiece that brings elegance and top-tier functionality to your cooking experience. With its sleek black stainless steel finish and champagne bronze handles, it combines luxury and durability for the modern chef. Let's start with its design. The exclusive champagne bronze handles aren't just beautiful, they're customizable to match your kitchen's aesthetic. And the premium black stainless steel finish doesn't just look good, it's built to withstand the wear and tear of daily use, ensuring it maintains its professional-grade appearance for years. Now, onto the features. The upper oven is equipped with true convection cooking, offering precise and even results whether you're baking, roasting, or broiling. It's perfect for achieving professional quality meals at home. And for those looking for a healthier alternative to traditional frying, the air fry mode delivers crispy, delicious results without the need for oil. With a convenient and easy-to-clean basket, you'll love how simple it is to use. With 5.0 cubic feet of space in each oven, you'll have no trouble cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. High-caliber cooling fans ensure optimal performance, preventing overheating and maintaining consistent temperatures. This makes it perfect for large family dinners or holiday feasts. Safety is a priority with the ZLINE oven. The touchscreen control panel includes a child lock feature, giving you peace of mind if there are little ones around. Plus, the Sabbath mode is a thoughtful addition for enhanced energy efficiency, allowing the oven to operate in standard bake mode for up to 72 hours. These features truly make it versatile for all households. For precise cooking, the built-in heat-detecting temperature probe ensures your meals are cooked to perfection every time. And with its built-in design, the oven seamlessly integrates into your kitchen cabinetry, creating a clean and modern look that's both functional and stylish. So, whether you're a passionate home cook or just want an upgrade for your kitchen, the ZLINE 30-inch Autograph Edition Double Wall Oven has the features, style, and reliability you need. Thanks for joining me on this in-depth review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What feature of this oven stands out most to you? Looking for an electric wall oven that combines efficiency, style, and safety? Meet the AAOBOSI 30-inch single wall oven. This built-in convection oven is packed with features designed to simplify your cooking experience. With a powerful 3,800-watt system and a generous 4.8 cubic feet of space, this oven is perfect for baking, roasting, and broiling with ease. Let's dive into what makes this appliance a game-changer for your kitchen. One standout feature is its self-cleaning function. It uses extremely high temperatures to turn grease and residue into ash, making cleanup effortless. Safety is also a priority with features like automatic shutoff, cool touch doors, and a child lock. These elements ensure peace of mind, especially in homes with young children. It's clear that AAOBOSI has designed this oven with your family's safety in mind. Cooking performance is top-notch. The 360-degree hot air circulation ensures even heat distribution. So whether you're baking a cake or roasting a turkey, you get consistent results every time. Intuitive touch controls and preset cooking modes like convection bake and broil make it beginner-friendly. It's a true helper in the kitchen, saving time and delivering delicious meals effortlessly. Designed to blend into your cabinetry, the sleek space-saving design is ideal for modern kitchens. Plus, with its energy-efficient features, this oven saves on energy costs without compromising performance. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen with a reliable, stylish, and efficient oven, the AAOBOSI single-wall oven is worth considering. Start your cooking journey today. When it comes to upgrading your kitchen, the aHOMEFAVOR 24-inch electric single-wall oven is a game-changer. Designed to fit seamlessly with 24 to 30-inch gas or induction cooktops, this ETL-certified oven is built for reliability. Backed by a 2-year limited warranty, it's a trusted choice for both the United States and Canada. Combining style with function, this stainless steel beauty elevates any modern kitchen. The spacious 2.3 cubic foot interior is perfect for preparing large family meals. Its sleek black ceramic finish not only adds elegance, but ensures easy cleaning. Thanks to the hidden heating elements, maintaining a spotless oven has never been simpler. Whether you're baking, roasting, or cooking multiple dishes, the capacity and thoughtful design make it effortless. This oven is packed with advanced cooking technology to take your culinary skills to the next level. The preheat function guarantees even temperature, while the 360-degree rotisserie delivers perfectly roasted dishes. Add in convection cooking for faster, more consistent results, and you've got an oven that transforms every meal into a masterpiece. Safety and convenience are key. The sensitive glass touch controls offer precise settings, while the control lock keeps your family safe. With features like delay bake, keep warm, and a programmable timer up to 120 minutes, the aHOMEFAVOR oven simplifies your cooking experience. It's not just an appliance, it's a kitchen upgrade. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and versatility with the aHOMEFAVOR 24-inch electric single-wall oven. Cooking has never been this intuitive or enjoyable.